Hi, I'm Buffalo Bill, and this is North Platte Through My Eyes. If you could see North Platte through my eyes, you'd find endless adventure and activities throughout North Platte and Lincoln County. You'll see the railroad, our history, and a ton of recreation opportunities just waiting for you. North Platte is home to the Union Pacific's Bailey Yard, the world's largest rail yard, viewable every day from an 8-story tall golden spike tower. It's a must-visit for anyone who loves trains, and people come from all over the world to see it, especially during North Platte Rail Days, the third weekend in September. If you're going to visit the Spike, make sure you spend some time with the great volunteers there. They'll give you in-depth information on everything that happened at Bailey Yard. And if you're interested in trains, you'll also need to visit Cody Park. At Cody Park Railroad Museum, you'll find a Challenger 3900 series steam locomotive and a diesel 6900 series locomotive on display, as well as a mail car, caboose, and depot museum. And these aren't just for looking. You can climb aboard these locomotives to see everything the engineers saw, as well as tour all the cars and the caboose. Now, some of you have passion for the outdoors like myself. Let me tell you, North Platte has great options for you. You'll find tanking, canoeing, kayaking on the Platte River with dusty trails, and the lakes outside the town are always popular for camping and boating. Mountain bikers will find a hidden gem down at Potter's Pasture. There's no shortage of ways to have fun outside for a day or a weekend. If you're interested in history, then you absolutely need to see everything the Lincoln County Historical Museum has to offer, with exhibits on homesteading, the Old West, and the famous North Platte Canteen from World War II, and much, much more. Don't forget to visit Scout's Rest. That's my old ranch. You can see just how a man of taste and refinement lived, with the restored Second Empire house, barns, carriages, and even trail rides throughout the property. No trip to North Platte is complete without some gifts for the folk back home. So stop into Fort Cody and pick something up. You'll also see a fine handmade miniature display of my world-famous Wild West show. I'm Buffalo Bill. My home is North Platte, and this is North Platte Through My Eyes.